brother. Now the property be this. Now the first, second room be this. The other one, they down there. See, this one are the third room. As I tell you, a very good environment. No wahala. You no go see any yama for this area. How you say?
Today, I know they like this the way they do. Today, Jimmy tell me say you don't want this sewing machine now. Wait till this.
I thought you said it was peaceful.
Hello?
That one.
Today, which kind of wild like this? Sewing machine won't use. Jimmy tell me say you don't work. So I know they like this kind of bad habit. I know they like this kind of bad habit. Wait till this one now. I beg, come off my phone, I beg. But they do anyhow. Tell me say don't.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I don't mean to.
No vex.
I beg, no vex. I beg. I just want to ask you a question.
What's happen? Body they prepare me like this.
I know.
That?
No vex, I beg. So the agent just spoke to me. He said that this place is very peaceful, very nice place.
Wait with that. That man will just pass.
Yeah, the agent, he said this.
Run, no sir, I not tell you. Run! You see this your two legs? Kitty, kata, just they run, they go foot.
Why?
This place is not good. It is not good at all. Number one, the figure you wake up for morning, increase your rent. Before you reach where they go, your working place, they don't increase them again. Before you come back house, they don't increase them again. Number two, water no dey rush. Now only on Tuesdays we dey see water. Number three, the figure you wake up like this, give you leave, pursue you because now my situation be that. As I did like this.
They asked you to leave?
Yeah? If not that one, you no go better. They don't sell the house now. They don't sell everywhere. They give me 7 days. You see this place? This house. I don't walk up. God go punish you. Or go kill your papa. God go punish your life.
It's okay.
That's
Thank you. Yeah.
They no get sense. So if you did this house like this, you go old. Just to be like this, you go old past your age.
Thank you. You just saved me from a very grave mistake.
No wahala. Now what do they do for people?
So I heard you have to leave in 7 days.
You don't see her now. I can't come out.
So is it possible that if you find anywhere, you can just tell me? And if I find anywhere, I'll tell you.
Hey, that one no bad. I'll help you. You to help me.
Okay.
May I call your number?
Okay.
Give me your number.
Father Lord, today I get in by 7:30, not 7:31. Please, every traffic, every delay on my way to work now, I cancel in the name of Jesus. As I get to work, oh God, I will do the report. The report has to get in by 8 o'clock on the dot. Father Lord, yesterday is gone. Today is a new day. I thank you, Lord, for a great day. Today is going to be amazing. Let all things work together for my good. In Jesus' mighty name, amen. I don't dey come now. I'll be there before 8 o'clock. Can't seem to this. I have a choice. People. Small, why does she want to have a meeting by this time now? She can't problem with this. Yeah, hello? Yeah, good morning, sir. Landlord. Yeah, I know now. Landlord, I know. Have I ever held your rent before? I will pay. Yes, sir, I will pay. I'll pay, sir. Please. I'm trying to get ready for work and rush out, please. No issue, sir. Have I ever delayed your rent before? I know. I'll get it done, sir. Yeah, I'll get it. It says next month that it's expiring. No problem. Thank you, sir.
Let me be. Hey! Yeah, you move like I don't move. Hey! Let me be. Don't stop.
Press us.
Just
Now here you dey.
customer.
Which customers? Where my clothes?
See am. Almost ready. Before you know, it's done.
Almost ready. Almost ready. Now almost ready. They talk every day.
No, this one don't do. Now just the small adjustment so that in case it tight, I could just lose am.
You won't disgrace me. You know, say now this weekend be party where they go now.
This cloth don't ready.
I mean, which kind of wahala be this
Once
one
I
now?
just do this place now, see this place now. Now this place now. Once I do this place now, the clothes.
If you don't do, I go change that for you. Oh.
Never reach like that.
I go change that for you.
See
Oh.
clothes where I sew for you now. See where the top.
You scatter everywhere.
No, now your top I won't bring am now.
If my clothes dirty, I go sew you pepper.
No go dirty. I go bring the top, but now the neck I just see the elastic. You get allowance.
I will come back.
No wahala.
I better do am fast.
Before you come, you don't ready. Get outside to see your clothes. The normal day, before you meet up like this, I will change am for you. Street go gather for two of us. No, you know me, I dey craze, my head don't correct.
So he's still not here yet. All right, just drop the letter.
Ben, how far now? I'm ready for the meeting now, guy. Which one you did? Me where I come before you. Just a talk. I'm ready, don't worry. Ben!
This guy don't go like this.
Auntie, see. Auntie, can you listen to me? Just listen to me. The clothes will be ready tomorrow evening. Tomorrow eve, I did not say next year. Tomorrow eve, just come tomorrow, I will give you. Or yeah, come in the morning. Tomorrow morning. It will be ready, no problem. I will make sure it's ready. Okay, ma, no problems. Please, not safe. I keep it here now. Wait. Then I get it. I think I need a PO. I need a PA at this point. I need an assistant. Which kind of wahala be this? Why if I get like me go just the sofa like this? Where is the cloth? She that's the cloth that I worked on yesterday. What's this one? What's the color safe?
Imagine. Nonso! Look at you sleeping by this time of the day.
I don't understand. I should not sleep. Well,
we need to talk.
What's up?
See, I know you're a good man, but then I can't continue like this.
Continue like what?
And so, I can't continue with this relationship.
Well, because I lost my job?
Is that not enough? See, I can't keep up with the way you're struggling. You're struggling to pay rent. You are even depressed. You cannot even send me money for maintenance. Look at the way I look now. See, I'm sorry, I can't continue. I can't.
After everything you said, you're going to just end up like this.
Anyways, I found someone else that will take care of me, so I just came to tell you.
So you came all the way here to tell me that you found somebody else and I am financially unstable and that I lost my job or I'm broke.
Well, I didn't say so, but if it sounds like that, then that is what it is. I wish you luck. Take care of yourself. Bye.
Precious. Precious. You must make it though. You have to make it. You don't have a choice. You guys make up. Money for sewing machines they never complete. No, landlady don't come with her own rent. 5 days. Don't tire, precious. Only me. Precious, think what you do to nothing. I will cry again. I will cry again. I will cry again.
Hello. Yes, Mr. Emma. It's Nonso. Yes, sir. I'm okay, sir. Yes, it's good to hear from you too, sir. Sir, I just wanted to ask you for a little favor, sir. I'm kind of in a tight spot. I don't know if you could borrow me some money. I promise to give you back, sir. I just needed to sort out some things. Please. There were some personal issues I had to deal with, so I'm very cash strapped right now, sir. Okay, sir. No issues at all. I totally understand. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Yeah, Madam Chisom. Yes, ma. I'm very well, thank you, ma. Good day, ma. Yes, ma. Oh, very well, I thank God. How's your daughter? Great. No problem at all, ma. Madam Chisom, I'm having some financial constraints right now. I don't know if there's any way you can just assist me. I'll definitely give it back. I'll return the money, ma. Okay, ma. Oh yeah, no problem. Thank you. Otumba. Good day, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I thank God. How is work and everything, sir? How is that facility I was helping with? Oh, great. Otumba, I wanted to find out if it was possible to assist me with some cash, sir. I encountered a minor setback, sir. But I know that as soon as when you give me the money, sir, I would return it at least in 2 months, sir. Please, just 2 months, sir, please. Oh, another investment. No problem, sir. No problem. Yes, sir. I can hear you, sir. No problem, sir. You must see like this life needs of balance. See, Madam Chisom, I pay her daughter's school fees one time. It reached my turn now. She say she no get. It's a tough time. You know, even if he ask me, okay, waiting you go feed. Man. When you get everybody could just they call you, you know, everywhere they okay, they could just they call you. The moment you know day again like this, everybody could just change them for you. You just find that saying only you carry waka come. This life not just balance.
Auntie, if you see your clothes, very cute. Your clothes is like heaven. Just one tiny adjustment like this. Just small adjustments. Auntie, I'll call you back. Okay.
Precious.
Landlady, good afternoon. You didn't tell me you were coming. Have you came to see my new collection? Sorry. So you didn't tell me you were coming. Hope everything
Do I have
okay.
to tell you that I'm coming to my house again?
It's not like that now. Just saying. I wanted to even call you sis.
Precious, it's like you've turned my house to a marketplace.
Landlady, this one is not
Hey.
marketplace. So this is not marketplace. This is my creative empire like this. So it's not a marketplace.
See, I am giving you 7 days to vacate this place. 7 days.
Landlady, I don't really understand.
I said
though.
7 days to leave this place. You don't understand?
Landlady, what did I do? What's the problem? Why are you people giving me 7 days to leave? What have I done?
Precious, you did not do anything. But this place has been sold.
No now, landlady, you cannot do like this place. This is my everything. This is my shop, my house. Where do people expect me to go in 7 days now?
This is what I don't like about you. You're very stubborn.
But you to check it out now. You just come and tell me 7 days. Where am I supposed to go? I've not even gotten new sewing machine. This one has been giving me issues. Now I have to go and start looking for house in 7 days.
It's okay. It's okay. See, let me tell you, let me advise you as somebody that I like so much, woman to woman. Start packing your things small. Before you know it, you will move everything out of this place because the owner of this place, they are coming in very soon.
Landlady, please just tell me that this is a prank. Tell me that it's a pre-foods. Tell me that it's a prank.
As old as I am, do I look like somebody that will be playing pranks?
7 days, just like that.
7 days is enough for you to leave this house.
But where am I going to go? Did people give me money to go? I said my sewing machine is not good. I've not gotten a new one. Now I have to go and start looking for a house. Where am I supposed to see a house?
Precious, I don't know where you want to go. But wherever you want to go, I will advise you to start packing now. It will be much easier for you. Please. You know you're stubborn. You always give me headache. Please. Thank you.
Ah. 7 days. Precious, no cry for waiting. Cry. I find my way. I won't scatter my dream, but I will carry my dream go another place. Don't cry. You got this.
My brother, now the property be this. Now the second room be this. The other one they down there. See, this one are the third room. As I tell you, a very good environment. No wahala. You no go see any yama for this area. How you see?
Today, I know they like this the way they do. Today, Jimmy tell me say you don't want this sewing machine now. Wait till this.
I thought you said it was peaceful.
Hello.
That one.
Today, what kind of wahala be this now? Sewing machine we want use. Jimmy tell me say you don't work. So I know they like this kind of bad habit. I know they like this kind of bad habit. What with this one now? I beg, come off my phone, I beg. But they do anyhow. Tell me say don't.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I don't mean to.
No vex.
I beg, no vex. I beg. I just want to ask you a question.
What's happen? Body they prepare me like this.
I know.
That?
No vex. I beg. So the agent just spoke to me. He said that this place is very peaceful, a very nice place.
Wait with that? That man will just pass.
Yeah, the agent. Yeah, he said it's.
Run, no, sir, I not tell you. Run. You see this your 2 legs. Kitty, kata. Just they run, they go front.
Why?
This place is not good. It is not good at all. Number 1, the figure wake up for money, increase your rent. Before you reach where they go, your working place, they don't increase them again. Before you come back house, they don't increase them again. Number 2, water no dey rush. Now only on Tuesdays we dey see water. Number 3, the figure wake up like this, give you leave, pursue you because now my situation be that. As I did like this.
They asked you to leave?
Yeah? If not that one, you no go better. They don't sell the house now. They don't sell everywhere. They give me 7 days. You see this place? This house. I don't walk up. God go punish you. Or go kill your papa. God go punish your life.
It's okay.
That's
thank
what
you.
do for
Yeah,
me.
yeah.
They don't get sense. So if you did this house like this, you go old. Just to be like this, you go old past your age.
Thank you. You just saved me from a very grave mistake.
No wahala. Now what do they do for people?
So I heard you have to leave in 7 days.
You don't see her now. I can't come out.
So is it possible that if you find anywhere, you can just tell me? And if I find anywhere, I'll tell you.
Hey, that one no bad. I'll
Okay.
help you. You to help me.
Okay. I'll
May I
do.
call your number?
Okay.
Give me your number. This house. Okay, run up. Okay.
You could just call me so that I
Sorry,
can have
wait.
them.
Call the comment.
Thank you. Yeah, I'll stay in touch.
Hello? Tunde, where you dey? Who side you dey?
My brother, sorry.
Oh.
We received one call, one of my clients.
No problem.
How you see him now? You like him?
Yeah, I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. It's nice. I'll get back to you. Thank you.
I will expect your call. Oh.
No wahala.
I beg you.
Smooth, oh my believer. Imagine you been a believer. Smooth, oh
Precious.
my believer.
My love,
Who be this?
my love, it's me.
Who be this? What did happen for you?
It's me.
Aki, don't get mad. Wait. I don't understand. I don't understand.
Baby, calm down.
8 months. You never say make you call Percy. Make you even say, I never die, oh. I still dey, oh. No message, nothing.
Baby, calm down.
Who be your baby?
Okay, let me explain.
What do you want to explain? No. Tell me what you want to explain. Say, your WhatsApp break. Or week load do you for her, you know if you message. Or the abroad where you dey, network not dey there.
See, I know you. I know say I mess up. You say I fuck up, but I'm back. Let me just adjust. Let me make everything right.
So you don't come back now?
Yes,
for
no,
good?
For good. No more distance between
More
us.
distance. So this information where you give me now, I suppose they dance now. I suppose they jubilate.
Baby.
Say you don't come back for good.
Baby, you know.
What's your break on? Waiting.
The thing, you get as a video.
I don't understand.
Don't be say I won't call myself. Understand? Don't be say I can't volunteer, but because I miss you. Understand? So the thing it's very close to like deportation. No be saying that.
Wait. Hey, God, I beg. Oh.
Calm down.
Wait till you're here now.
No be say that. Listen, babe. No be say that deport me.
So they pursue you.
No, let me explain. Now, what's me I explain to you? Get some people that say they want to return them back to Nigeria, but you know the kind of love I have for you. 8 months without you, I can't leave. Food say no, they go for a month. I say okay, maybe they add my name to people who will come back to Nigeria. But for the list, they just put deportation, but it's not deportation. My own no, it's not deportation.
So now you don't come back for
good? Because of you. I don't want to leave you.
For that 8 months when you did there now, you want to tell me say you not do
me?
Baby, just the tip.
Me?
You don't do.
You know me now. Even when I did Nigeria before I go, she be now you dey beg me say make I do. You say sometimes if you dey with me, I know they do anything. I'm so in love with you. I keep myself for you. I'm not going to do this kind of thing. I love you. I'm committed to you. You stand? I'm not going to do all this nonsense. Me do what? I focus on work. I was hard working. See, by the time when I go send my money back home, maybe we go there. Please forgive me. I'm so you. I love you. I miss you. Come back to Nigeria.
Can you volunteer? Say
because I want to.
Because you too love me.
Yes.
Because you love too much.
I miss you a lot.
You never
Precious,
start.
my baby.
No, don't touch me, oh. Don't touch me. Another one will still get problem. No, don't touch me, oh. Don't touch me.
I miss you a lot. I miss you.
8 months.
Now, I'm saying they put my name for people who will come back to Nigeria. Nobody say they deport me, but they just right time for this deportation.
So for the full 8 months, you never dey run things for that side, abi?
Me run things. You don't trust me.
I don't trust you.
You know, we know how to do this thing.
I don't trust you.
See, code there where I focus on work. I was hard working.
You not do.
No. I keep myself for you.
Match.
No, I promise. No. I promise before I go now. Trust me. I'm here for good. Like yo, I don't come back like this. I deal with you.
Oh, Oga agent, no nah. I said I want an affordable house, not a mansion that even Dangote self cannot afford. I don't understand. What do you mean by 10 people sharing one bathroom in Ogudu? Are we in boarding school? Is he hostel? Oga agent, please see. They've given me 7 days. After 7 days, it's just God that will help my life. Please help me now. Look for something nice for me now. What's all this ones you're showing me like this now? No, that's not what I asked you. Please let the house go. Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
My baby.
Okay, agent, I make I call you back. If you another problem, just come out to the one why they face like this.
I don't move in though. I beg. Just fry plantain. Fry plantain more.
I don't understand. What is this? What did they occur for you? What did they occur for you now? Explain to me.
I beg, you help me. My uncle say me I not come back out if I don't bring money. You don't know that in the park I sleep till daybreak.
What's it concern me that one?
Beg.
What's it concern me? 8 months. You don't even know whether I don't die. I don't know whether you don't die. Now you just appear for here like with all your deported. See, okay. I use God to beg you.
I know say I messed up. Me myself, I know say what I do no good. Even I miss I don't go take him. That place was not easy on me. That place was not easy. It was very hard on me. I beg, help me.
Forget
help me.
this your emotional story. Those stories that touch. Forget them. Leave on one side. You know go work. As you see me like this, me too, I'm stressed. See my head. My head is stressed. I'm stressed.
You are trying.
My landlord don't give me 7 days. After
7 days?
7 days like this, I don't vacate this house.
How
so
this landlord?
Don't use your own call out to my own. I beg. I know if you carry boyfriend problem.
Wait, landlord give you 7 days?
You don't hear.
This is why very wicked though. Don't worry now. Why I dey here? You see opportunity like this. So may I dey here like this. May I help you, support you, help you move. All these things. I will sell all these things. All these jewelries where I carry come from. This thing. This gold, this silver, this one gold. I go sell land. We go take buy house. But more start all over again. I just make I move in.
This package no work. It cannot work.
Precious help me now.
Help you do
I get my lowest too. Lowest. Now only you I get for you.
I beg leave all those
help me. I'm homeless. I beg. Pepe.
What be this one? For better way. What be this? Not touch me, not try, not come close. They your lane, I my lane.
Sure, so you know the kind of love I have for you.
Love
now because of you, I come back from abroad. No be say I won't come. That deportee, I just follow them. Say, I don't miss Precious, so make I come home. Stand up, more start all over. More just change things. More go back. More rewind the hands of time.
See, forget all this English way they speak. This help I won't help you now. Not because they deserve more. Yeah, and just for old time's sake.
I know.
Because if not deserve, you not deserve.
I know now for one thing. I know.
And this one a temporary stay, emergency exit. Not to say, may you come and scatter your cloth up and down. Me and you get house. So.
Me, you know say me. I'm a very quiet person. You know say I obey things a lot. Now when you say me I sit down, now I go sit down. Temporary emergency exit. Now
this help no even come from my belly. I just they do am because of God.
No. I bet it's okay. Just fry this thing.
I bet carry your this thing. What me that?
No fry now.
Carry your clothes. They go inside. If I go inside, I don't you.
Make a the pillar. Baby.
Who you want kiss? I mean want kiss.
You know say I love you.
Like this.
You know say I love you now because of you I come back. You know this thing. You know how love they do.
Come on my road, I beg.
Yo fam, what's up now? Yeah, bro, I'm still in the state, man. I'm saying shit. Yeah, still in the state. Bro, there's a lot of cool over here, man. I'm saying shit, but you know, I'm gonna be alright. Yeah, bro. There's a lot of money. Dollars. I'm talking about dollars. Dollars everywhere. You know, we're working non-stop, man. Non-stop to make this money rain. Yeah. You know, bro, I think I'm gonna be in Nigeria probably like 1 or 2 weeks. You know what I'm saying? Keep praying for me, fam. Keep praying for me. Yeah, I'm gonna send some dollars. You know what I'm saying? Dollars. Gonna send some dollars to you. You know what I'm saying? Shit. Tell my mama to be okay. Tell mama to be okay. Me, I'm alright. I'm alright in Yankee. Yeah, bro. Yeah, say hello to everyone, man. I'm gonna sign out. Peace out. Hey, love you, fam.
Don't die through.
You know this kind of thing. Packaging.
Did they bro?
Nah, never. See, now information we want make people know. Now they go know. Package yourself. Make people not see you finish.
You wait this house.
Yeah.
For your bag.
Leave if you don't
hear. Deportation bag.
Now
they abroad.
No, they talk deportation like that though. No, they talk like that. See, now what you give people like this? Now people go take. You stand. You know they hear Allah fam, yo fam. Dollars.
They all don't finish.
Leave on.
The best way do you, eh?
They package yourself. They tell you this thing. See this one. If you package yourself like this, man, this America.
Hello, okay, agent.
Precious, you get one house we just open. I won't make you come see am now.
Really? No. Okay, I dey come now.
I follow you.
Follow me, go away. I want to go check house. I dey come. I beg, get me fold all these clothes, sharp. All these ones, fold and finish. Put them inside the bag. So they come. Just fold them, put them, hang them. Keep this one.
Oh man, I know if you lose this girl. If I lose this girl straight under B, now I go to sleep.
Oga agent, I beg. I don't want any house where go stress me. I don't want any emotional stress or damage, I beg.
Okay, so the one way you see me like that, I be the best agent for this area.
That's when I go to talk.
No worry. So now the compound be this. This place, the landlord they use am. but they don't want to give am out. So the 2-bedroom na in dey from back. Now from the boys quarter to go past. Follow me make I go show you.
Hope say everywhere good oh. Water dey inside the house. That one dey very important oh. I no want timetable water oh.
I'm trusted and reliable in this area.
Me, I no want wahala oh.
Come on, let's borrow. Hey, madam, we are come. Okay, so now the place with this, make you see am.
Okay, agent.
Yes. The landlord na person wey be say he dey take care of place, furnish everywhere.
This place is fine.
You don't see am. You no like people that come carry anything. You see say nothing dirty, everything neat.
Fully furnished.
Including the bedroom, the same thing. Beds dey there. Now to just carry your bag, pack in and stay.
But this
sit down.
This one will be above budget. This one they furnished everywhere like this.
Madam, like this house now hot cake. As I dey expect you, so I dey expect other clients. You get who they come, say why I dey expect make it come. So the man said supposed to.
Yeah. Oh, hi.
Mr. Uzor, you're welcome.
No,
Mr. Naso.
Hi, agent.
Welcome.
Precious.
He just called me.
Are you serious? He called me. He told me about it.
Una two know each other.
Yeah. You don't jam before.
I didn't even know he's the person you're talking about.
Okay, that is very good. All right, like as I explained to you, as in come make I talk am. Oga now, so you don't see the house. So you landlord furnish the place. That's what you like to do things. You don't want make any tenant come begin carry things, they scatter things. So your own now, make anybody will pay. If now you pay now, you pack in. If now she pack in. There are 2 bedrooms there, and each of the bedroom bed did the 2.
Okay, so the 2 rooms get bed inside.
Exactly.
Toilet and bathroom inside.
They did the 2. So if you pay now to parking.
Just carry your bag, enter.
Yes. Or if now she pay, same thing, she go parking.
This is exactly
so
what
I don't know which one that to go.
The house is cost. It's above my budget though.
Like it's expensive. Agent, this house too cost. As in you go collect your agency, collect legal, come collect service charge.
For Nigeria, yeah.
No, now your money too much. It's a lot. You have to at least come on. Are we not all in Nigeria together?
Okay. It be like say on our own don't pass my own. Other clients they wait for me. And besides, my phone will ring since night. Mama Cookie call me. I chop the ceiling don't come out. Water they enter.
Who be Mama Cookie?
Now one of my clients. So I will talk to the landlord and see what he will do. I dare aside when I decide make on a come on anything to do.
Thank you.
So what do you think? This house is fine. Me, I like the house.
This house is very nice. It's neat. It's peaceful. Oh man, that money is long.
I cannot deny. I don't have it.
I don't, as in like I'm scraping literally now. I don't even know what to do.
So what would you tell me now? Should we just leave it?
Let's just think about it. I want to think about it. Make a few calls if I can raise a little bit more cash. But let's just think. I want to think about it.
Mitch, I'll think about it. My money no reach.
Let's think about it now. We'll get back to you. So how have you been though?
Me, I'm just tired. This house wants something. I'm tired. It's just in my life.
Yeah, Mr. Philip, how y'all doing? What's up? Yeah, I'm seeing Africa, you know what I'm saying? I'll soon be back to the state, you know what I'm saying? Shit. I know the business is bro. Yeah. Send everything to my mail. Yeah. Credit them in Italy. Yeah. Yeah, send some dollars to me, you know what I'm saying? Shit. Big love family, big love. Yo, Pretty, what's up with you?
Hey, I'm fine.
Yeah, you know what? I was on a business call, you know what I'm saying? I'm not from this side, I'm from the States.
Wow, you mean abroad?
Yeah, the real abroad. Not the one you guys go to Ikeja to take some picture, you know what I'm saying?
No wonder, you're so fresh.
Say that again. Say that again. I don't, our business is around the globe, states, countries. In fact, I don't do Nigeria currency. I deal with dollars,
so
pounds,
you're rich.
Euros. I'm rich. That's an insult. I'm wealthy.
Wow.
It's not,
wow.
In fact, yeah, let me give you some. Yeah. Precious.
What do you say?
No. I'm just speaking Swahili.
Oh.
Pressure.
Wow.
Pressure. That's Swahili, yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you some. You know what I'm saying? You know what? Because you're beautiful, a young girl at that. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
Buy your mama house.
Thank you. You're so generous.
No, that's how I do,
Wow.
Yeah.
But you say you deal with foreign money, but this is Nigerian money.
Yeah, this when I got to the country, I realized that in Nigeria, especially Africa, a lot of people. I'm a philanthropist. This are for people like beggars, people like take things from me and give to them. You know what I'm saying? I don't really like. I don't have much dollars with me, but next time when I see you, I'm gonna link you up with some dollars.
Wow, I'm so lucky.
You're not lucky, baby girl.
Oh my god. Wow. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, it's nothing.
Thank you.
Nothing.
Your phone is ringing. Who is that? Is that your wife?
Wife? No. I told you I'm not from here. That's business call. All the way from Paris. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes, I have business everywhere. So I'm a philanthropist. Beggars call me. People that need help call me.
You're so nice.
We speak Swahili. I speak Swahili.
Swahili, wow.
Yeah. You know what? Let me surprise you again. Call me Zadi again.
What?
Have it.
Are you serious?
It's nothing.
Thank you. Wow. Thank you so much, hey darling. I'm not precious. You just said precious.
No, I told you I speak Swahili. That pressure. Say pressure. Pressure. That's Swahili.
Oh.
The next time I see you, I'm gonna give you some dollars. You know what I'm saying? I'll take care of you, baby.
Thank you. You're such a darling.
It's nothing.
You're such a daddy.
Call me Zaddy. Call me Zaddy.
Zaddy.
I love you, baby.
I love you too.
Cheers to good luck. Sorry, I'll take care of you. I will send you some dollars again.
Change this.
Hold that thing. Hold on, make I lose it.
Okay.
You sabi lose?
Yes, sir.
So you go change it.
Precious!
Who be that?
Who be that?
Precious, when I get money where you borrow, the owner don't dey drag me.
Iyabola. Hey! Iyabola. You can't dey find any of this.
No, don't try that with me today. Where they are get money where you borrow?
You say I don't find the money up and down. Now you might scatter everywhere you find since so. Wait, you see the money?
Check that place now.
Don't try that thing with me, Precious. I resemble small pikin for your eye.
No. But now the money I dey find one lie. I no go lie.
Why you dey lie give me, Precious? Why you dey carry lie give me? Me and you know say you no get that money.
Oh yeah, tomorrow. Come tomorrow.
I'm not going to even come tomorrow. Tell your customer me help you pay. And you go they use the money so close for him. Later. If you dey sold 2 pieces for him later. Tell her say me help you.
Iyabola, I beg.
Bros. And your customer they owe me money. If you help and pay me, they use and sold 2 pieces for you later.
Nala, she dey owe you?
She dey owe me.
Nala, you don't have money?
Which one be say they owe you? No, you wetin they talk.
Okay, no, one of the talk. I'll work this out at the corner.
They even get broke customers.
Iyabola, I beg, just leave this one quiet there. I beg, tomorrow I
know they you say Precious, you don't dey whine me. You don't dey lose the boat wey dey my head. And you dey vex me.
I'm a very honest person. Ask am, he know me.
Yeah, I know.
Tell am give me your own bangles when I go see am.
No, this is what you want to use this for. It's meaningless. It's a things of life. It's useless in life.
Give am, make it prove.
No, it's vanity. I don't like giving someone vanity something. It's vanity.
See, Precious, I don't like all this thing wey you dey do.
Tomorrow.
Precious, if I come back tomorrow and you no give me my money, I go carry goods come. You see your sewing machine, I go carry am. If I don't carry sewing machine, you see all your customer clothes, I go carry everything go snap to
Yabola, you never reach you.
Who be this god wey dey talk?
Oh, okay.
Disabled, he dey follow disabled man.
Oh.
Iyabola, I beg.
You know wetin wey dey vex me, Precious? Let me talk wetin dey vex me first. You be fine girl, but you no get sense of savings.
I go give you, not because of money now you go come dey enter insults now. Check am now, I go give you tomorrow. I say person take the money for there.
You need and keep am. You no see the money there?
I no see am for. Be like say I no know. Maybe people don dey enter.
You go lost later, bros. Now you go lost.
Okay, me I will lost.
You go lost. No worry, I go come back tomorrow. If I come tomorrow. Before I go, you get cold water. My drink, my temper.
No, not the go. I will send it to you. I will send it to you. The go.
Go. Tomorrow.
This girl no even respect.
If no be one thing, I go walk you comot for this house. If no be one small thing, I go push you.
I was defending you.
You be very useless person.
You don't owe that woman money. You do what? Wait, you owe that woman money.
I don't know where I dey meet you. Sometimes I dey regret you.
No, you say sometimes.
I dey regret you.
No, I don't regret. Life is vanity.
I beg, come on for here.
Why is it make I give you a vanity thing? You no good.
This life, there's nothing in this
they
life.
talk another thing. They say they owe her money. Like say you don't hear wetin she talk.
Oh, I still not the real something. No, you know, I get stage play.
I hate you.
Oh, okay.
Hello? Precious.
Hello. Hi. Good morning. I'm so sorry I'm calling this early. The thing is, I've been thinking.
Yeah, I've been thinking too.
You see that 2-bedroom apartment? Me, I don't think I can afford it though.
Yeah, to be honest, I can't afford it either.
Okay. So, what about we put heads together and just take the place together?
I mean, it makes sense financially, and to be honest, the place is actually good.
Yes, that's what I thought too. The place is not bad at all. The place is nice, but the problem is, me, I don't want drama at all. I don't want.
I don't think I'm dramatic. I keep to myself. I'm always by myself most times, and I'm actually quite organized myself.
The thing I say, me, I not too dey organized like that.
Yeah, I kind of figured.
Which one is you figure? That do you know?
I saw you. No, but like I saw you shouting at your sewing machine on the first day.
So you saw that, see?
Well, just small.
Voila. So, agreed?
Yeah. We're good. Yeah, we should.
At least I can breathe from my landlord small.
Guy. Me too. It's crazy.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Nonso. Thank you. Don't try. Thank you.
Thank you too, Precious.
So we'll just call the agents now. We'll tell him we're ready. So we'll just go and sign and pay, Abi?
Okay, please call me. When you're ready, just call me as well, please.
Okay. Oh yeah, now.
All right, cool. Thanks.
Later. Bye. At least this one or something. Anyhow, I'll take talk reach this side safe. No.
I hope this works. New house, new mindsets. I'll just take control.
No, sir.
Hi.
You don't show.
Yes.
I'm welcome.
Thank
I
you.
don't they do work since. The people that left this house, they be demons.
Demons, how?
This is where they scatter everywhere.
It was
If you see
dirty.
the kitchen, the kitchen be like where they fry cement.
Oh my God.
Dirty. Never see. Which one I go help you with?
If you could, yeah, thank you.
What's in inside this bag? Now, man, be it. Yeah, view.
Well, just efficient packing.
I don't do work, tire.
Sorry, well done.
Work, some boys say.
I know.
Your gender no be am.
What's it do my gender?
Now just find boy for mouth. And I
You see the
na
person
find
before. Oh, wow.
Just see her now. So you like her?
Well, yeah. It's peaceful.
Hey, make I tell you now, you see this parlor and the kitchen, I mean, you get them all. When you know call they use your serious one, call they control them all. Hey, you go take this room, I go take this one. Okay, you carry frame come.
Yeah.
Don't touch this one, no. I don't already arrange this one. Let me get her. So anywhere we like, if you put your own, if you put her inside your room, anywhere we
No,
like.
this one will just go up. Yeah.
But no touch my own, sha. Hey, one more important. This one too important.
Okay.
The day when you carry them come. Inside your room, no carry and stay here. I don't want to hear pa. When I don't go stay to share, I don't want to hear. Deal or no deal?
Deal. Yeah.
As long as say you follow these rules, no get wala.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Sure. Thank you.
So man, allow you carry your bag.
Yeah, we're just taking the time. Thank you for the bag.
No wala.
I made the right decision.
Nasa!
Yeah!
You go shop yam if you want to shop, I don't waste my gas, so.
Yam is fine. Thank you.
She can't miss it. Lord, I thank you for today, O Lord. This is my first interview in weeks. I pray that there will be no mistakes, that your favor will cover me, O Lord. Father, Lord, you will go before me, you will go with me, and you will go after me. Let your grace speak for me, O God. Father, Lord, let the interviewers be impressed, O God. Let my years of experience in this industry speak for me, O Lord, in Jesus' mighty name. Let your mercy speak for me, O Lord. Have your way, O Lord, today, O Lord, in Jesus' mighty name. As I step out today, O God, I step out in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. The Bible has said that I am blessed in my going out and in my coming in. I'm blessed in the city, I'm blessed in the field, I'm blessed in my going out and in my coming in. Father, Lord, have your way. Father, Lord, today this interview will be a success. Father, Lord, where others will say there's a casting down, I will say there's a lifting up. Where others have gone and met shut doors, I will go and the door will be open for me, O Lord, in Jesus' name. You will turn around, O Lord, this captivity. The Bible says when you turned around the captivity of Israel, they were like them that dreamt. Father, Lord, it will be like a dream. It will be a jaw-dropping testimony, O God, in the name of Jesus. Thank you, Lord, for everything. In Jesus' mighty name I have prayed. Amen.
Moving is not for the weak. This one is Olympics.
You're back.
Yes, so I had to leave very early because of traffic. If not, traffic would disfigure my destiny. I still have to go like 3 times, so you'll not believe it.
Let me help you.
This thing carries all my generational sufferings. Everything. See the way your lipstick is like pure water.
I'm just used to carrying stuff.
Hey, you used to use gym to hide this. So, my new space. My new home.
Nice.
Yeah.
If you need any more help, just let me know.
Are you guys somewhere?
Yeah, I have an interview this morning.
So it's good news though.
Yeah.
Because see, let me tell you, you will get it. I'm very, very sure you will get it. Because we've suffered enough. Even God Almighty knows we've suffered. But when you get there, don't frown. Smile small. No, you look like a tax collector when you frown. No, Nabi.
Thanks, I'll try.
Show them a real man. A real man.
Welcome to our new house.
Thank you.
All right. Just get it, Toko.
My new space. No more problems.
Precious, I'm your boyfriend. I can't open door. Precious.
Okay, we see they fine.
Sister, I beg. Now my girlfriend Precious, they stay for your beg. Now I look for her beg.
Who be Precious?
My girlfriend that stays here now. Precious.
Oh, a tenant?
Yeah, she's my girlfriend.
She don't come out. She don't leave this morning. Even room, she don't leave. She don't come out. She don't pack come out.
What do you mean that she don't come out? She don't leave? Oh, now my girlfriend stays here. My girlfriend, now they stay for this house.
She don't pack come out this morning.
You mean Precious park for this? You come out?
Yes.
You park in load?
She don't pack. Even broom, she don't leave. Everything she pack this morning, she don't pack come out.
Do you know that as I dey come now I buy this yam? Say me and my girlfriend do. No chop. I don't even buy food. Now say me they cut down.
What's it my business? What's it concern me?
I just a complaint give you.
No concern me.
Fear girls so.
She don't go.
Fear girls so. Precious live. I beg. Have you see transport? Now I just take it.
For waiting. Okay, come on for your job.
Yeah, I beg. You feel me? Let me boy this thing.
Come on for you.
Are you not lover too?
Come on for you.
You get on guys.
Come on for you, Oga. There you go. Come on for you.
What is short?
Come on for you.
Precious. Precious.
Oga dey go. She don comot for here. Dey go. Waiting. Dey go.
Precious, take your call now. Precious. Ha! This girl no dey take call again. Precious, abeg, pick it. Precious, take your call now. You can't just expect me to vanish. You can't just leave me. Jesus, which kind of wahala with this? Hey. Precious, don't block me. Hello? Precious, block me. Precious. Man. Precious, take your call now. Where with this now, eh? Where I want to go now? Where I want to start from? This guy block me. This guy don't block me. Omo. Precious. No. With everything we've shared together, with everything I've done for you. I don't know. I've not done too much, but at least we've me and Precious, we share the law. We have plans together. This is not the right time to leave me. Eh? Precious, come back, oh. Come back. You need to come back. Pick this call. Inside this Lagos.
It's the customer's clothes now. It's not this one. Hi, Miso.
Hey, Precious.
How did the interview go now?
It was fine. I think I did well.
I told you they would choose you. I told you. How can a fine boy like you be jobless?
Precious, relax, man.
Sorry, I'm looking for customer clothes. Sorry, I'm sorry that.
No. It's okay.
I'm finding it.
Do you need my help?
Please help me and check if there's any yellow cloth inside there. It's yellow like this.
Okay, all right, cool.
If it's not here,
no, it's okay. It's all right.
It's almost like this color.
Okay.
Just help me and check it. So, I get it here.
Yellow like that one, eh?
Hey, have you seen it?
No, I haven't seen it.
Okay, just help me and be folding this one still.
Okay, sure.
Hey, now be small thing, they make me, they wonder, hey. Okay. I'm addicted to you. You know. Hey. I'm addicted to you. Hey. Where's your dog? I don't hear you.
Why are you shouting? What's wrong with you?
I don't hear you.
Why are you shouting?
This so sweet. Now, this so where they all release. Omo, hear?
No.
Yeah, man. You enter.
Why is nice is that? You know you're shouting. Landlord will soon come out. You'll be shocked.
I didn't do anything.
How far now? How are you?
I see my receive cool breeze for side.
You cleaned the house again.
Mm-hmm.
You cleaned as it's so good. Like it's so clean. I came out, I was like, this girl don't clean everywhere.
I don't they try now. You know, say
The kitchen is sparkling.
they say I too scatter. What I go do?
You scatter.
And they try to impress
You're
you.
not scattered. You're just a little disorganized. That's all. A little.
But disorganized to enter. So
Disorganized and scattered are two different
that's the
things.
same thing.
Nah, lie.
That's the same
Like,
thing. But I don't they try now.
You're doing great.
And they try to impress.
I just thought you won't kill all these boys for this estate.
How you think no? Now what's my plan with that though?
Come on, go and change. See, how do you... Precious, why did you come out like this?
See, I go soon do that this thing.
What you do with him?
Now my plan with that.
Which money you get? Where is the money?
If I do that,
You will never pay for rent.
not everywhere.
Which money you get? Which money you want to use now?
I go save now.
Save waiting.
You know, go
So if you save now, you start using it to do something productive. You now want to what?
borrow me small money now.
For waiting.
Okay, then. I go do tiny. If I do, all of them I go die. They go cry.
Have you eaten?
I never chop.
Should we order something? I'll pay for it.
You go pay.
Yeah. Let's order something. What do you want to eat? Why is turkey? Why are you saying turkey? Turkey na another thing.
But you, what do you mean? What do you mean?
Turkey.
Tell me what do you mean? Tell me.
Turkey and what?
You don't spoil.
Sure.
You don't
Turkey and what?
spoil.
Yes. I totally understand. And thank you for
See, as you dey waka like this, e go dey help you. See, na so life be. No dey let all these things dey move you.
Well, how am I not supposed to now? I'm a full-grown man. I have responsibilities. I have to take care of my people.
I understand, but you go dey try. Wetin person go do? No be this same country wey we dey inside. If you go, you no work. You go again. Na normal thing say e go vex you because if na me sef, e go vex me. But wetin dey important na say you go snap out of that mood.
Why they can't give me hope? They say you're very impressive. We'll get back to you. Do you understand? It's very upsetting now.
At least if they squeeze face now,
You don't say okay, you don't get them. No, you can't do like say person don't get them. It's just so annoying.
Better point. That one they pay.
Rubbish now. I will move on.
Chest down.
Precious.
It shock you.
I swear.
I still make I bring food, God give you.
Thank you.
So when you chop and finish, not think again. If you dey think, you go hold quick. Yeah. So just chop and make you get yourself, yeah?
Thank you.
No one.
I was going to say thank you for earlier. For the work too.
That one. Now you dey tempt me. That one na normal thing, nothing dey there. Just chop your food. Not think again, no.
Right.
Everything go dey alright.
Thank you.
Ayana.
Thank you so much.
I hope say the food sweet though.
I'm sure it's.
Ayana.
It's very nice.
Hey, thank you.
You say you fine, I say you cheeky. I bring small smile, you act all squeaky. You ask for tea, I ask for jollof. We both pretend we are hard to fall for. You look at me like I'm some problem. I look at you like I want to solve them. You say, oh please, I say behave. But my heart, they dance like it lost its way. If I lean in, you might blush. If you grin back, I might rush. We've been circling like this too long. Baby, this nearly love feels strong. Are we doing this or what? Are we doing
this? I didn't expect this much.
So this is how you're hiding. So this is how useless you are.
Wait, excuse me?
No, leave am. I go handle am. Oga, wetin happen? Wetin you want?
Precious, you're asking me
Wetin happen?
You're asking me
Wetin happen?
Precious, you left our house without telling me.
Our house.
Precious, you stop picking my calls. Huh? You blocked me. After everything I've done for you, Precious.
After everything, I don't understand. What you don't do for me? Akin, waiting.
See, no. I will not take that from you. I'm still your man. I'm still your man, Precious.
Useless boyfriend, unfortunate boyfriend. And they come. If they come man, now you said you go come outside. You like this? You remain anywhere. You will be say before you travel. What they feed you? Now they give you money. Now they clothes. No they shame. You travel. This say you don't arrive. What do you do? Ghost me now? Call you. They call. Text when they text, nothing. Abi, after everything, on top of me, we no get sense. As I move like this, I still accept you. What do? You take my money, not a shame. See, I can use go to beg you. I don't feel they carry man. I don't feel they carry man like say they carry pikin. Not me upon you.
No, I get it.
I'm not call Lagos because of you.
So you want me because of this thing?
I'm choosing myself.
You want me because of this thing?
I'm choosing myself.
Because you will blame yourself.
I don't really.
You will regret this.
I'm not gonna regret it here.
You will regret it. You will regret this thing.
Come on from my front. Now me upon you. Now me upon you. You know your mama. If you see your mama, you not gonna know. She not gonna catch you. She can't rubbish with that one. This your gender, eh? If not be one thing, this your gender. I did alright. I did fine. I just want waka.
Yeah, we can take a walk. If you need to talk, I'm here.
But your gender, sha. If not be one thing. If not be one thing. If not be one thing.
You'll beat her.
The thing be say, I don't grow up with a lot of things though. I just bear my mama. My mama. And when they also shout, the man they walk like man. You don't care what she no do more for survival. Now she for tell her to so now. She do things and things. Until she got die. When she died, the thing shake me. No believe her. Everything just did my shoulder. People wish they hold me say, all of them got they attack me now. No easy. I begin they grind. Then I'm for just survive. You understand? Yeah, I do. I dare call me that mumu, that idiot. That mumu we no get sense. I dare for me now. I meet her, say get you. I say me and I go just day, just collabo. Go they survive, they grind. I don't say no get sense. That time if you don't get work, you don't get anything where they do. Now me now, as I mumu rich, I mean they do everything for her. Small money where they gather, they feed her, give her money to buy clothes. They do everything for her. You don't believe her. The story said they shame me. I believe love not the streets. The guy tell me say he want travel. You don't go believe say I support me for travel. I say travel, you know what he do? 8 months, you don't pick my call, you don't call me, you don't message me, nothing, just ghost me.
What?
Because it is say you don't see life now. You don't even care, nothing. I just day house one day, and so you just boss enter my house. Tell me say they deport her, beg. Still alive enter now. As I no get since rich.
I love you. I so love you.
Pay me, thief my money joy. You see, that's to tell you say, no matter how you tell a person rich, person will go dey for you, person will not go dey for you, no dey. You don't get what you want to.
I'm sorry. Oh man. It looks like you've been carrying a lot by yourself.
Don't say no.
Well, the good part is you don't have to carry everything by yourself anymore. I did for you now. I mean, I talk about the share apartment now, so at least you can talk to me. You know, I'm not going to drain you or burden you with anything. You know, I'm going to be your friend. I'll be here for you, man.
So, thank you. You don't want to make me laugh.
Waiting.
You're not as serious as you look, you know that, Abi.
You're not as dramatic as you act.
I'm dramatic, oh. I don't end up.
I know, like, when I hear your voice from my room, I said that precious. What's this? What's this?
Oh, but you got ginger and son.
I don't even need to help you. Hey.
Oh, my God, they worry me. I better find something to chop. My person don't chop, they get energy to carry problem.
Is that a medical advice?
Oh, that one a precious advice.
I see what you did there.
Don't make hard guy cry.
No, don't worry.
Help me.
Don't worry.
Good job.
Oh, joy.
Yes! Ah! Yeah! Ah! Yeah! Yes!
Wetin be this? Sorry, they jump like who swallow happiness. What's the problem?
I got the job. I got the job.
Wait. Talk again.
I swear I got the job. I swear.
I dare you. I don't dare you.
Thank you.
I dare you now.
They just called me this afternoon and said I should come. That they were impressed that I can start the job. Precious. This office is sweet.
No, so you are made. You are officially a big boy again. Not so!
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
No. It's fine. No, it's not fine. But not bad.
No, I think we should just let's just blame it on the excitement. Yeah.
It's the excitement that made us do this.
Exactly. Yeah.
I'm proud of you, Sha.
Thank you for listening. I've just come.
Okay.
Thank you. I got the job.
I like you plenty. That's the guy. You make me laugh. I get soft. You say calm down. I say nah.
These people got stressed.
I swear, it's crazy. How do you enjoy this thing you're drinking like this?
No, this is for mature men.
It's just some mature men.
Mature men who have of timber and caliber.
So maybe like bitter leaf. Take a first, go first shake.
It's really not bitter, I taste it.
I don't taste though.
You don't want to taste it?
You can taste Nasha.
It's bitter. Sorry.
How do they enjoy this thing, break?
No wonder. Precious, you blocked me.
Aki, I beg, they public. I use go near beg. No start. I beg.
Precious. You told me you were traveling. So you packed your bag just to stay with a man?
I don't understand. Where do you do?
Okay, please don't speak to her like that. Do you understand?
See this civil servant voice. So now where take you from this?
Aki, take your time. I don't like this rubbish.
Precious, you
embarrass me. Yourself.
Right?
I don't want shout.
Precious.
I don't want shout.
Now is the time I don't want shout.
I don't want shout.
You tell me that I'm not Precious.
Respect yourself, Respect yourself. Which kind of rubbish talk on this one? If I say something, they walk.
Precious, you regret this thing.
I don't regret and see.
You will regret it. I'm telling you, it's too early for you to come back. Because of waiting.
Because of waiting. Who you be?
Precious, you
embarrass me. They respect yourself.
You disgrace me, Precious.
We dey public, who disgrace you?
Shut up there! Now you fuck up!
What's your worry? What's your walk you? You want beat me?
See, I will enter you like this person.
So you want to beat me because of the girl?
I kill my hand.
You want to beat me because of this girl?
Just go.
Precious, you will regret this thing.
They worry.
I pity you. See, person where it start from my front. I person where take you from me with this. This one I take you from me. You know the kind of love I have for you. Precious, if it's too late for you, you will regret it. Precious,
Baba.
My life.
Baba,
beat me.
See. Okay, let's go outside.
No worry.
Let's go talk.
No worry, I'll just leave for you. No worry.
No, let's go talk.
No, it's person where I pity with this. I don't feel they follow it or you be man. You see, you will cry.
Baba, come on here. Just get.
I pity you. Your cry go long. Your healing days go long. When this guy leave you, yeah? They smile with new boyfriend.
Baba shifts.
Okay, where are you?
Idiots.
Where are you?
Today was mad. See the way he just protected me. Aki wanted to die. Me small like this, I would have laughed. Aki wanted to enter the ground.
I will
enter you like this person.
So you want to beat me because of the girl?
He didn't even say much. He just made Akin shift. The boy just shifted to one side. Thank God he was there. Ha! Myself, I just went to go and hug him as if he has paid my bride price. Thank you. Oh, mo, it sweets me die. Ha! Why am I laughing like Mumu, I beg? Are you sure this one is still roommate since? Ha! This one is not roommate since again, no?
You say you fine, I say you cheeky. I bring small smile, you act all squeaky. You ask for tea, I ask for jollof. We both pretend we are hard to fall for.
How far off? What are you doing here?
You look at me like I'm some problem. I look at you like I
Just
want to
thinking of your life. What do you mean to take care of your life?
I say behave, but my heart
You get something I notice about you.
What's that?
You argue with people. Like you're shy.
Not shy.
You're not shy.
I'm just focused, that's all.
Focus.
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
So, you're resuming work on Monday?
Yeah, I am.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you. Thank you for everything.
You're sweet, Shao.
What do you mean I'm sweet? Well, you actually...
Why are you looking at that?
Which one is it? You don't go know see.
It's just be very hard, very straight, very... You never know say inside. Dig down.
You don't talk your own now. You like, in fact, to be honest, you're actually sweeter. All this your drama and just surface.
Sure.
Deep down, you love a girl.
I mean, that boss.
Bowser. Have you had something to eat?
You watch my lips. Come like that with fat.
Perfect. You want me to order something? Hey.
Also, what's your
I got this for you. Happy birthday.
Wait, how you didn't know? I not tell you now.
I heard you. I heard you talking to someone.
Oh. Oh no, so thank you. We tried.
Yeah. There's something I wanted to talk to you about.
What's that?
I've been meaning to talk to you about it for a while now. I've been thinking about you a lot. More than I'd like to admit. You came into my life at a point where my life was shitty, for lack of a better word. And you came in with so much, just brought a lot of laughter, noise, and peace. I didn't even know that I needed these things, but you brought a lot of joy into my life. And I've been thinking, I like you a lot, Precious. I'd like us to try, this journey, try this journey together. I just don't want to be your apartment mate or someone who just shared an apartment with you, or a friend. I want you to be my girlfriend. Now, no. So I don't want you to answer me. You know, like you could think about it. I just thought to just put it out there.
The thing I say, I don't need to think about that. But I would like to ask you one question first of all.
Yeah, anything.
You know, say I be scatter person. Fit deal with that.
Yes. I will be organized for this. Okay. Okay. Can I give you a hug?
You dey cut blood for the room. Tape measure swing like rain. You too loud for my ears, but your smile feel ease my pain. Me have a workman man. Them don't push me for roadside. One shared room, one small rent. Now they are matter start. Fake jammers for the same door. You laugh say this one go do. I know no say your hand go so my heart like cloth.